What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about compounds containing aluminum or aluminium and their molar masses. The first compound is Al2O3, which we call it aluminum oxide, Al2O3, because the capacity of Al is +3 and O is -2, so that's why we write 3 in here and 2 for O, so Al2O3. So we have Al and oxygen. The atomic mass of Al, I need to read it from the periodic table, and it is 26.982, and oxygen is 15.999. We have 3 atoms of oxygen and 2 atoms of aluminium, so 2 molar mass is going to be 2 times 26.982 plus 3 times 15.999. That's going to be 101.961 grams per mole. Next one is AlOH3, which is aluminum hydroxide. You have 1 atom of Al and 3 atoms of oxygen, 3 atoms of hydrogen. In the previous one we had 2 and 3. So that's 26.982 and 15.999, and hydrogen is 1.008. So molar mass is going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 15.999 plus 3 times 1.008. That's going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 15.999 plus 3 times 1.008. That's going to be 78.003 grams per mole. Next one is AlCl3, which is aluminum chloride. We have 1 atom of aluminum and 3 atoms of chlorine. Aluminum is 26.982 and chlorine is 35.45. So that's going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 35.45 133.332 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of aluminum chloride. Next one is aluminum sulfate, which is Al2SO4 3. Aluminum sulfate. Sulfate is a polyatomic ion, SO4 -2, and Al is Al3 plus. So that's why 2 here, 3 sits here. So we have 2 atoms of aluminum, 3 atoms of sulfur, and 12 atoms of oxygen. Why 12? Because 4 times 3 is going to be 12. Atomic masses, aluminum is 26.982. Sulfur is 32.06. Oxygen is 15.999. So molar mass is going to be 2 times 26.982 plus 3 times 32.06, 12 times 15.999. So that's going to be 342.132 grams per mole. Let's look at the next compound. Next compound is aluminum carbonate, Al2CO3 3. Al is +3 and carbonate, polyatomic ion, is -2. So that's why we write it like that. Aluminum carbonate. So we have 2 atoms of aluminum, 3 atoms of carbon, and 9 atoms of oxygen. 3 times 3, 9. Atomic mass of aluminium is 26.982. Atomic mass of carbon is 12.011. Oxygen 15.999. So molar mass is going to be 2 times 26.982 plus 3 times 12.011 plus 9 times 15.999. It's going to give me 2 times 26.982 plus 3 times 12.011 plus 9 times 15.999. That's going to be 233.988 grams per mole. So that's aluminum carbonate. Next one is going to be aluminum bicarbonate, AlHCO3. This is bicarbonate ion. It's -1, so that's why we don't write anything in here. Al is +3, so we have 3 in here. So we have 1 atom of aluminum, 3 atoms of hydrogen, 3 atoms of oxygen, and 9 atoms of oxygen. And here we have 3C. So aluminum is 26.982, hydrogen 1.008, carbon is 12.001, oxygen is 15.999. So that's gonna be 26.982, 3 times 1.008, 3 times 12.001. Then we calculate it. That's going to be 210 grams per mole. So just take a look in here, see if everything is correct. Yeah, looks like everything is correct. So 210 grams per mole, it means that 1 mole of aluminum bicarbonate is equivalent to 210 grams. Next one is aluminum nitrate. Aluminum nitrate is AlNO3 aluminum nitrate. We have 1 atom of aluminum, 3 atoms of nitrogen, and 9 atoms of oxygen. 3 times 3, 9. And 3 belongs to N, so we have 3 atoms of nitrogen as well. So aluminum is 26.982, nitrogen is 14.007, oxygen is 15.999. So molar mass is going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 14.007 plus 9 times 15.999. It's going to be 26.982, 3 times 14.007 plus 9 times 15.999. It's going to be 212.994 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of aluminum nitrate. Next one is AlN, which is aluminum nitride. AlN. 1 atom of aluminum, 1 atom of nitrogen. Aluminum is 26.982 atomic mass. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14.007. So we just add these two. (26.982) plus 14.007. It's going to be 40.989 grams per mole. Next one is aluminum sulfide, Al2S3. S is -2, aluminum is +3, so aluminum sulfide. I have 2 atoms of aluminum and 3 atoms of sulfur. Aluminum is 26.982, sulfur is 32.06. So M is 2 times 26.982 plus 3 times 32.06. So that's going to be 2 times 26.982 plus 3 times 32.06. That's going to be 150.144 grams per mole. Next one is aluminum bromide, AlBr3. aluminum bromide. We have 1 atom of aluminum, 3 atoms of bromine. Aluminum is 26.982. Bromine is 79.904. So molar mass is going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 79.904. It's going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 79.904. That's going to be 266.694 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of aluminum bromide. Next one is going to be aluminum carbide, Al4C3. Aluminum carbide. So we have 4 atoms of aluminum, 3 atoms of carbon. Aluminum is 26.982. Carbon is 12.011. So we have 4 times 26.982 plus 3 times 12.011. That's going to be 143.961 grams per mole. Next one will be aluminum phosphide, ALP. That's it. Aluminum phosphide. 1 atom of aluminum, 1 atom of phosphor. So aluminum is 26.982. Phosphorus is 30.974. 26.982 plus 30.974. $57.956 grams per mole. Next one is AlF3, which is aluminum fluoride. You have 1 atom of aluminum, 3 atoms of fluorine. Al is 26.982. Fluorine is 18.998. It's going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 18.998. It's going to be 83.976 grams per mole. Next one is aluminum iodide, which is written as Ali3. We have 1 atom of aluminum, 3 atoms of iodine. Aluminum is 26.982 and iodine is 126.90. So molar mass is going to be 26.982 plus 3 times 126.90. It's going to be 26.9 3 times 126.90. That's going to be 407.682 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of aluminum iodide. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.